Hi everybody. Every winter in Quebec, it gets very cold and my piping vents gets frozen shut. Once in a while in January, February, flush a toilet and then I hear like a blop blop going from the sink. Means that my piping vent is probably frozen. In order to unfreeze it, I did something here. I switched over a regular vacuum, shop vac, so I can push some air in, take a heat gun, and then you only need to plug it in, start it, and then blow some hot air into the intake like that. And there you go. Your vent on top of your roof should be unfroze by now. Thanks a lot.